Hello, my name is Mark
Crystal.
We present the animals and the plant cell. Animals have different types of cell like musculus cells, nerve cells, stomach cells and liver cells. The part of the animal cell is cell membrane, nucleus, and the crystoplasm.
Plant cells have a common characteristic. They have a cell wall made of cellulose, which protects them and gives the plant cell of a shape. Cell walls help plants to support themselves. The parts of the cell are cell wall, nucleus, cell membrane, Golgi, vacuole, and chloroplast. Hope you like our mural. Thank you so much.
Very good, excellent work. And now your classmate have a lot of questions for you. Arnau the first.
The nucleus of plant cell.
Which is the function?
The function.
Yes, which is the function of the nucleus? The material, the art and craft, not the function. A xylophane. Okay, but the question, do you know what is the function of a nucleus in a cell? Or maybe she knows?
The function of nucleus is in the middle, and the nucleus is controls all the cytoplasm.
Very good, excellent. More questions? No? Okay, so a big applause again, please. Nice work, Crystal. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Crystal.
Thank you.